Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Allen, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Rowlett, DeSoto, Grapevine, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Coppell, Duncanville, Lancaster, Farmers Branch, Bulk Springs, University Park, Satchsea, and Cedarville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 412 and 445. Interstate 20 between mile markers 454 and 485. Interstate 30 between mile markers 32 and 64. Interstate 45 between mile markers 267 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.